Hello again everyone, welcome back to Aonic channel where we provide insightful content on drone technology. My name is Nazrul Helmi, Content Executive at Aonic, and for today, I will share with all of you the comparison between two versions of drone in a box, which is DJI Dock 1 and newly launched DJI Dock 2. So let's go. Dock 2 is a newly launched drone in a box from DJI and has been released on March 2024. Apart from the system, the most crucial aspect that you can see is the sizes, which for Dock 2 is much smaller compared to its predecessor, DJI Dock 1. And this could be one of the biggest key points that each one of the user would think before considering which model that fit and suits their nature of business. With all the information gathered today, conventional wisdom might lean towards Dock 2 due to newer products generally being better when it comes to technology and system. However, the optimal selection depends on your specific requirements. Now let's talk about the capability of the drone that suits to these two models of DJI drone in a box. For Dock 1, the drone that suits to the dock is only the M30T and M30, as it can be operated in a broader temperature range compared to the newly launched model. For Dock 2, the drones that are being used are the DJI M3TD and M3D. Regarding takeoff and landing, the M30 of Dock 1 can withstand 12 meter per second winds. However, the Mavic 3D and 3TD drones used in Dock 2 can only launch mission when the wind speed are below 8 meters per second. When weather conditions are a concern, opting for the M30 and Dock 1 would be a better choice for surveillance and security, agriculture, and among others. Another feature that seems to be important for all the industry players who is considering owning one of these models. In terms of the range capabilities, you guys should know Dock 2 boasts a greater performance with increased range from 7 km to 10 km, which give a wider distance for the flight route. In addition, the maximum flight time for Dock 2 is 50 minutes, whereas in Dock 1 it was 40 minutes. The resistance of the docking station itself is IP55. Unfortunately, the M3D and M3TD drones themselves have IP54 resistance. A better solution in difficult conditions will be Dock 1, which is guaranteed to be more resistant and can withstand higher temperature. Nevertheless, if you are looking for a wide range of distance for a flight, then you might consider for Dock 2. If the nature of your business is mainly focused on doing an aerial mapping or construction sector, then this part will be beneficial for you. By owning DJI Dock 2, doing a mapping mission repeatedly using this drone will be much easier. While the RTK function is new for Dock 2, now mission execution is streamlined, faster and more convenient. Enables the creation of accurate 2D maps and 3D models, which shows owning a Dock 2 are crucial for tasks requiring high precision. As with all matters concerning drones, unfortunately, there are no easy choices. However, there are some significant benchmarks you can consider before making the best decision for drone solution. If you require operations that need wider and longer distance, the newly launched Dock 2 is the preferable option. Additionally, the DJI Dock 2 is more affordable, smaller and lighter, making it a better fit for businesses with limited resources. A common feature of both docking systems is that they are designed for accuracy, efficiency, and specialized mission. Both Dock 1 and Dock 2 will be ideal for public safety, surveying, and construction industry. Depending on your needs, choose the equipment that will suit your needs and workflow. We have finally reached the end of this episode, and we at Aonic hope that through this video it will give you the information you need and will pique the interest of owning one of these drone solutions. Also, we at Aonic are welcoming interest or inquiries about drones. You can comment what topic you like us to share in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Aonic YouTube channel and social media for more insightful content. I will see you in the next video and thank you for watching.